Yo, what is up YouTube? Today is the start of my 7-day journey to qualing in the solo cash cup. Now this week I didn't do too well. I only got 108 points. I got like 6,000. I don't know, I'll show it on the screen. But that's gonna change next week. I'm gonna be practicing every single day of the week leading up to this next solo victory cup with a goal of 150 points. Now it's not that much more than this previous week. It's only 42 more points. But it will bump me up like 1,000 or so in placement. So yeah guys, that's my goal. Make sure to stick around to the end. There may or may not be a huge surprise coming up. Alright guys, so for day one, I decided to stick to the basic training maps, help you get better at piece control, editing, and aiming. I didn't really do too much for this day because, I just wanted to start off like kind of chill. But, in the future days, we'll be playing tons of ranked. Maybe I can even get champion during this training week, as I am elite 50, around 50%. So there's always the possibility of that. Yeah, this is pretty much day one. I just did some practice maps. I think I played one game of ranked. I'll have that up there in a second. But, yeah. Alright, so I hopped into a game of ranked. Honestly, I just hot dropped Bird. I will be trying to experiment with drop spots, as my drop spots yesterday were kind of unreliable. A popular spot. I would say it's more popular because of the meme, it's just kind of a funny name. It's the first time that I can remember that when I just did a one-worded POI. Usually they have it rhyme or something like that. They didn't with Bird, which is like, and the name itself is just kind of funny, to be honest with you. So yeah, I'll be trying this spot out. We're gonna see if we can kill these kids off spawn. We got 2 people contesting us that I saw. I did get a katana blade. See if I can beam this kid over here. Where did he land? Land in the main building? I think he did. I believe he did. Sneak around the side here. Oh, it's on top. Beamed. 200. I have aimbot, bro. I actually have aimbot. This kid probably thinks I'm cheating right now, bro. I'm actually crazy. No, I did. It's right there. $100? Come in. Peekaboo. Whoa, I almost lost that. Holy crap. 200, bros and champion, get out of my lobby. Oh yeah, bro, I'm W keying this game, bro. Got the whole lobby. Ain't nobody stopping me, bro. Alright, so unfortunately I got a little too confident. I got third-partied about like 10 seconds after I said no one could stop me. So yeah, that's about it for day one. I'll see you guys in day 2. Alright guys, on day 2, I didn't do much. I did play some scrims as well as some ranked, so I'm going to be showing some highlights of those 2 things on the screen right now. Alright, so unfortunately for day 3 and 4, I was a bit lazy. I only really did 1v1s, to be honest, and some free builds. So, I mean, I can show some clips of that, but yeah, I was pretty lazy. Definitely set some of my progress back. Alright guys, so on day 5 and 6, I changed it up. I decided to do Zone Wars, and I played a little bit of Ranked. I have some clips to show you. I don't know if I have any clips from Ranked, but I definitely have some from Zone Wars and just 1v1s. I was grinding. I played a lot of Rankeds. I'm at like 50% elite now, or because I had gone down in like day 1 and 2 to like 13%, so I went back up. Yeah, here's some highlights of those things. I'ma go get it. I'ma go get it anyway. For buzzes, I've been taking L's and I lost they less. Like to get the money, I got an obsession. If trap is a sport, then it be my profession. Tell you the truth, I don't got no confessions. I don't know why lately I feel aggression. I'ma go get it anyway. For buzzes, I keep taking L's and I lost they lessons. I'm still getting money during a recession. Okay guys, so I woke up on game day and I was ready to train, like all day I was ready. And then I got hit with a bunch of homework that took me forever, and I didn't end up finishing until around 5 p.m. So this left me with an hour to warm up, which is still a decent amount of time. So I got to practicing. I don't have much footage, but yeah, I got to practicing, and then I hopped into my very first game of the Solo Cash Cup. Alright guys, we're hopping into our first game. I think I'm going to land Canyon Crossing. This seems as though it's the best POI. I've been, trying to figure it out for about a week now. As I said, I tried Bird, and then they completely nerfed Bird by taking away all the metal. They made it so that the walls don't give metal now. They give brick now. It's all brick. So I had to change it up. Canyon Crossing is a real... I thought I was going to be cooked. Where's he going? Where is that guy going? Alright, let's focus. Alright, we got... Wait, oh my... I'm so cooked. Yeah, that guy is a god drop. Oh my... I think I have to swerve. Bro, this is not a good start. Not a good start at all. Oh, we're so cooked. We're so cooked. Bro, that guy already has a freaking Oni mask. Oh my... Alright, let's go. Alright, we got auto. This is not good. Big pot. Okay, we get some shields. This is looking good. This is looking good. Got off to a bad start, but we came back a little bit. See, 200. Let's go. Light work. All right, first 2 points of the tourney. First 2 points. And let me edit, please, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm a drone. All right, we're chilling. Block that off. Dropping this AK, bro. The thing is dookie. All right, this is terrible. I'm not gonna lie. We have no shields. Let's keep going, see what we see. Pop this. Kind of need it. Dude, that buff to the water sprites is insane. They fully buffed it. They made it from pretty good to, extremely good. If you guys don't know, if you eliminate someone that has a water sprite, Alright, guys, so I just realized my recording from, the first half of the tournament just didn't... I don't know what happened. I don't know if it didn't record, if it didn't save, or something like that. So I literally only have footage of my last 4 games, but I did end up... Actually, I'm not gonna say how I did. I'll show you how I did in the beginning. And I did get into the same game as some people would consider a tier 1 pro, so make sure to stick around. Alright, so I was looting up the gas station, and then I got pushed by someone. The guy that I'm currently fighting hit that guy for 100, so I snuck up and I killed him. But immediately as I stole his kill, he pushed me. I ended up trying to fight this guy off for a while. I was trying to make space. I was trying to do everything I could. But eventually, I did hit him hard, and I just eventually sold. I got in his box, missed all my shots, and then I shotgunned it for 30. Alright guys, so in this game, I did end up going to just a little split at the edge of the map. It's by Demon Soda, so I was a bit skeptical, but I went on Fortnite.gg and I looked at this place and it had some solid loot. It was edge map. This was the point in the tournament when I was really on a low. I just got just destroyed the past few games in a row. This game had this game right here really lifted up my spirits as far as wanting to keep playing. This is also the game that I did get in that Fortnite Pros lobby. He's in this lobby. I didn't realize till endgame because I saw him in the kill feed and I checked his stream. I didn't stream snipe because I'm not weird, but I did check his stream to see if he was live, and he was. So just stay tuned to the end of this match just to see who it is. He's pretty well known. He did play. Here's a hint. He did play with Asian Jeff. He was Asian Jeff's duo for a while, and then they split up. So there's your hint. But yeah, I ended up just blading this guy. I didn't know what gun he had. I probably could have took him out, but I didn't want to risk it. So yeah, I got stacked. I got some solid loot. Alright guys, so we're heading into endgame. This is where I did end up going down to the Fortnite Pro, which was, really sad. This is pretty stacked, 20 people left, pretty solid amount. I didn't mean to make this play, but there was a play. This is why I died. He ended up beaming me out the air. You'll see it in a couple minutes. He just ended up beaming me, dude, and then I got lobby sprayed, but I'm not gonna share what happened yet. I'm not gonna share that. Let's see if we can find him. I'm gonna skip through some people here. Maybe we can find him right away. There he is. If you didn't figure it out already, I did get in Oliver OG's lobby. Pretty cracked player. He's got like 14k earned. Played with Asian Jeff, the big Jeff. Yeah, he did end up killing me, so let's break down how that happened and why that happened. Alright, so I'm sitting here, I'm playing this pretty smart. I'm making my rotates. I throw my orb ahead, you know, because it pulled max pretty much. So I use my orb, I pause, wait for my orb to recharge, and then I end up going. Okay, so I go, I make it down here. Now this, you see Oliver G right in that middle box. Now as you can also see, there is a launch pad. I did not mean this, trust me, I'm not this stupid, to take a launch pad in middle end game. But I was trying to get on the boat, and I ended up, I was just trying to go over the boat, and I ended up like doing, yeah. As you can see, Oliver OG beams me. I got hit by that guy. Once they knew I was whited, it was just over for me. So yeah. That's how I got an Oliver OG's game, and how he ended up killing me. Wasn't my best performance this game, but I did end up getting a lot of points off this game. My morale was up, and yeah, I was just really hyped after this game, especially knowing that I got an Oliver OG's game, which I could have done better. Like, I really regret hitting that bounce pad, even though it was an accident. I could have been more cautious, and even maybe I could have eliminated Oliver. I'm not saying I'm better than him, but you know, maybe by luck I could have. Alright guys, that was my last game. This video was really fun to make. It's one of my, probably my longest, best, most detailed long form videos. So let me know if you want more by dropping a comment, sub, hitting that like button, because I'll be glad to do more of these videos if you guys would watch them. But yeah, that was my last game. This tournament went I didn't hit my goal, but I did better than last week, so we'll take it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
What are you doing? What are you doing?